Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, got a bit of a problem here today. We've got a tail light out on the 2015 Smart for 2 model 451. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this, see if we can get it changed out. On this particular model of smart car, there's two light bulbs in the tail lights. You have one down here that's for the reverse and one up here that is for the brake, turn signal, and tail marker light. So if you look back here behind, there's this little panel on the left and there's a smaller panel on the right side of the car. Take off the appropriate left or right panel, starting with these little tabs at the top. Lay the panel out of the way, and then you'll want to go in and move this felt material out of the way. You can kind of tuck it under itself here, like that, to get it out of the way, and then kind of pull that felt out of the way as well. So looking down inside here, you're going to want to draw your attention to that little tab right there. And you're going to squeeze that tab with the one above it together, and that whole panel is going to pull towards the front of the car. Once you do that, you kind of have to slide it up, and then you can slide it out of the hole. So there's the little panel removed, and I also went ahead and unplugged this wire as well to help untangle it and get it out. So as you can see here, there's two light bulbs. Single filament light bulb for the reverse, an empty socket, because this model doesn't use that bulb, and then this bulb right here that is the one that's burned out. So we'll go ahead and replace that bulb. It is a 7528 light bulb, and you can pick those up at your local auto parts store. Go ahead and just twist it anti-clockwise and push, and it'll come right out. This is also a prime opportunity to go ahead and wipe off the other bulb if you're not changing it as well. Then you'll go ahead and slide this panel back in, plug the electrical back in, and test the light. So there we are back together. Everything's working great. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Check out the links to the parts in the description, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.